Welcome to the part 9 of the Pitman Shorthand course. In this video, we are going to talk about triphones. Alright, so what is a triphone? Well, a triphone is a small tick attached to a diphthong sign that represents any vowel immediately following the diphthong. So this simply means that whenever you have a vowel just after the diphthong in any word, then to represent that particular vowel, we just attach a small tick to the diphthong. So to understand this statement practically, we have these examples of words here. So let's see what is the first word we are having. So the first word is diary. Now if you pronounce this word, it goes like diary. So see, we are having the sound of I as in I diphthong. Now if we carefully hear the sound just after the I, we are getting a little bit sound of A also. So let's pronounce this word again. It goes like diary. So see, just after the I sound, we are getting the sound of A also. Alright, as in that vowel. So we are having a little bit sound of a vowel. So we have to represent that vowel also. So that's why we use the triphones. Now, you don't need to have the complete vowel sound. Only a little bit sound of a vowel is enough for us to make the triphones. Alright, so this diary word will be written like this. Alright, so see, we just made the diphthong I here, and we also attached a small tick to this diphthong to represent the vowel also. Alright, so we have this I diphthong plus a small tick to represent the vowel A. Alright, so that's how you write the word diary, and that is what triphones are. So let's move to the next word. We are having the word loyal. Okay, so we are having the sound of oi first of all, and just after that we are having a vowel sound also. We're having just a little bit sound of a vowel, but as we saw that only a little bit sound of vowel is enough for us to make the triphones. So this loyal word will be written like this. Okay, so see, at this part we have first of all this oi vowel as in enjoy, and then we just attached a small tick to represent the vowel sound also. Alright, so that's how you write the loyal word. Let's move to the next word. Next we have towel. So this towel word will be written like this. Alright, so see, we first made this this diphthong ow as in now, and then we attached a small tick to represent our vowel sound also, because this word is pronounced as towel. So just after o, we just have a little bit sound of e also, as in pen. Alright, so that's how you make the word towel. Let's move to the next word. We have riot. So riot word will be written like this. Right, so see, again we first made this I diphthong, and then we attached a small tick to represent our vowel also. Alright, so that's how you make the word riot. Let's proceed to the next word. We have dial. So dial will be written like this. So see, again we have this I diphthong because we are having the sound of I, and then we attached a small tick to represent our little bit sound of vowel also. So that's how you write the dial word. Let's move to the next word. We have buyer. So buyer will be written like this. Alright, so again we can see here we have first of all this I diphthong, then we attached a small tick to represent our little bit sound of vowel also. Alright, so that's how you make the word buyer. So this concept is very simple. Whenever you have a diphthong in any word and just after that particular diphthong you have even a little bit sound of any vowel, then to represent that vowel sound also we just use these triphones. Or you can also say we just attach a small tick to these diphthongs to represent the sound of vowel. Okay, so that's all about triphones, and I'll see you in the next video.